Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about static electricity. So what is static electricity? Static electricity is caused by rubbing two objects together. You may recall that this rubbing is called friction. So friction changes the balance of positive and negative charges between objects. This results in an electric charge. Static electricity can leap from one object to another. Perhaps you have experienced a shock on touching a piece of metal. This is because electrons jumped between you and the metal. You can see how this works if you rub a balloon up and down your jumper. Before you start rubbing, press the balloon against your jumper. The balloon will float away or fall to the ground. When you rub the balloon against your jumper, electrons from the jumper move onto the balloon. If you hold the balloon against your jumper and let go, the balloon will stick to your jumper until enough electrons have jumped back from the balloons onto the jumper. This is how static electricity works. So let's take another example. Running a comb through your hair creates friction. This moves electrons from your hair to the comb, charging the comb with static electricity. The comb now has a negative charge. When you hold the comb near water, its negative charge pushes away some of the negative charge in the water, leaving the water with a positive charge. So both positive and negative charges attract, so the water bends towards the comb. I hope so you understood this simple concept about static electricity. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.